as Dave Catani said, I hound these guys every day. Okay? And I'm glad Dave looks at it as the passion and understanding. Most companies leave you alone. Most clients, hey, they're not bothering me. I don't need to do any work for them. Leave it alone. That's not how I work. That's not how I work at all, because I want perfection. And the way I work is I call these guys every day. I email them every day. I scream at them every day. I say, you got to do this, you got to do that, you got to do this, we got to do this, we got to do that, we got to do this. And I take control of it. And I do it every day for all of you. So what you're going to see here is a tool, okay, that is for you. And it's for every single day of your life and your business, you're going to use a tool. Okay? So let me step back 1 second. My company is called SEP Networks. We don't live anywhere. You won't see us anywhere. We power the tools that you have. We don't promote ourselves or anything like that. It's all here, okay? Is there SEP stands for Self-Employed Professionals. Is there any self-employed professionals in the room? Okay, so I'm in the right place. That's good. We're all self-employed professionals. We work every day. Some of us work 2 jobs, 3 jobs. You come home, you want to work on your Kiera business. You open up your laptop. If you're lucky to have a spare bedroom that's an office, you go in there and you try to do your work every single day, right? Okay? I have tools, and I think you've all seen the base of the tools that allow you to do this work effectively. Okay? We're going to go through some of those tools, but before I go behind the podium, okay, and do my demo, we're going to do a little bit of why before how. Okay, I used to go on the road with some clients. I'll give you a little background as well. I work with, I built Gold's Gym, World Gym, Powerhouse Gym, Curves, Lady of America, 2,700 health clubs, networks I run. I built Monavie, I built Isogenics, Vima, Nu Skin, some of the other companies that I've worked with in the past through people as well as through my company, SEP. And we've progressed to have a product called NetGen. Okay, and it's the next generation of on-demand products and business tools for the network marketing and franchise world. Okay, and that's what you're going to see. We have one product and only one product. We don't do anything but the application I'm going to show you. So be insured and trust me when I tell you, if you need something else and the world asks for something else and you need video delivery and there's things that are coming that are going to make network marketing that you need to be successful in your business, I will add it. Okay, I'll tell you that right now. I'm on top of it. This is all that I do every day. So if there's things that you need and things that come into the marketplace that are going to drive your business and make you successful, I will have them in there before you even know you need them. Okay? That's a promise you have from me. All right? Why before how? Why do we want to use technology to drive our business and get people to sign up and enroll? Does anybody have any ideas why? Technology? First of all, who in the room has a computer? Okay, reason number 1, everybody has a computer, right? Okay, so in today's world, let me ask you this. Who wants their phone to ring at 6 o'clock when they're busy cooking dinner, have their kids just home from school and so forth, and who wants somebody to give them information? Like the gentleman that was on stage, he said he called his friends, he sent an email. Oh, that's great. How's Bobby? That's great. How are the kids? Okay? Who wants their phone to ring at 6 o'clock right now in their busy lives? No one, right? Who wants information that they can read, disseminate at the time when it's convenient for them? Hands up. Hands up. We all want what we want when we want, right? Period. Okay? The old days of calling, knocking on the doors isn't happening. But we also can't just send out random emails to people and hope that, something sticks. We can't throw marketing on the wall on a huge scale. None of us have great, huge budgets to go out and do television or local radio or local newspaper. Okay? So why are we Kiera IDOs? Why are we Kiera reps? Okay? We're Kiera reps because we are all going to feed off of Peter. You get it? That's what Peter was explaining today. Does everybody understand? Peter has millions of dollars. Okay? We won't take it from you, Peter, but we'll take it from Kiera. He knows how to sell products. Who here is a professional copywriter? Come on, no professional copywriters? Who's a professional web designer? Professional HTML coder? Professional salesperson? Okay. We are going to feed off of Peter. We are going to feed off of okay? We are going to feed off of the brilliant team at Kiera. The top people who have been doing this and have hundreds of years of collective experience doing this. The idea is, guys, and I'm going to show you the system, but I'm not going to teach you how to use it. You are not going to go, oh, I got it, I'm going to go home, oh great, I'm going to build a little campaign with the local here, boom, 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 up, up. No, that's not what we're doing. Okay? You will learn it. When you look at it after today, I just want you to look at the system and understand what you're trying to achieve. If you understand what you're trying to achieve, you will be able to achieve it. Does that make sense? That's how software works. I used to sit up here and do demos and show people. They left, they thought they know how to do it. They go home and say, yeah, I'm going to be able to do cool stuff. Yeah, cool stuff with this thing. Okay? And then when they went in, they logged in, they weren't looking for where's the button that says add email? Because they didn't understand that they were building emails. They didn't know how to add a web page because they didn't understand why before how. And that's what we're doing here. Why before how. So, no professional copywriters in the room, right? I am a Kiera IDO. I love the product. Love it. Does great. Puts a twinkle in my step, the whole thing. Okay? I want my mom to take it. My mom lives in New Jersey. She's probably going to tell me. So my mom lives in New Jersey, and I want my mom to take Vibe. What do I do?
Call.
Hey, Mom, how you doing? I take this stuff in a little red packet. It's got twinkle in my step. You should take it. What do I tell her? What do I tell her? I'll go to my website. I think it's bmitchell.twinkle in my step. Hold on. Let me go see what my website is for. Never mind. I'll send you an email.
I three-way with Peter's people.
I'm going to get Peter's cell phone. Okay. So the point is, guys, before I lose it, the point is that we don't know what to say. Okay? With Kiera Front Office, you put the lead in, boom, 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 you click add, and then Peter tells them. Do you get it? Peter tells them. Okay? Noreen and Dave, Sarai, and all the people at Kiera that have all this experience, they know what to do to tell my mom how to take Vibe, why, and how to get it. Does that make sense to everyone? Does that make perfect sense? Because I'll tell you what, we've changed network marketing. Okay? And Peter had the vision, and when I was stomping around, he understood. My company has changed network marketing. Okay? We have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of users on this application. Okay? No longer does everybody have to have their story. No longer does everybody have to figure out how to be a professional salesperson. No longer do people have to practice phone scripts and so forth and everything else under the sun that we all do. People need to now know how to make the Kiera Front Office work.